How to turn off camera on TikTok Live. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your TikTok application. Now tap on the plus icon from your bottom navigation bar. Now tap on the live section. After that, in order to go live and then on usually on your top corner you will see an option of live and camera, and all you have to do is tap on it, and then your live will be only audio and the video will be not available to your viewers. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.